welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we just want to show you guys our Papa Daddy's MSK, which is Mama Soul Kitchen Seasoned Dunken Turkey, everybody. This is our tradition we do every year. My grandson-in-law always dunks the turkey for the past, about 9 years? About 9 or 10? Yeah, about 19 years. This is his thing. You know, us women used to be in the kitchen cooking the turkey in the oven and all that stuff, but we decided we've been hooked on this. Once you have this fried turkey, you never want to go back to baked turkey, ever. But anyway, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my goodness, it was so good. And you know, the smell was amazing. And you know, and everybody was so excited, like when we was dunking the turkey. That's just the tradition. We all cheer it and everything, and when it comes out, we cheer it again. And then look at this. We about to carve it up, and this is how it looks when we brought it inside to get ready for dinner. But look at that. Look at all the juicy, and you know, it's juicy to the bone. Even the breast meat. The breast meat be all tender and delicious and just wonderful, just melts in your mouth. But I'm telling you, we have a lot more. Our Mama Soul Kitchen seasoning is going to be coming to our website soon, everybody. 2024. Look out. Follow us on YouTube.